Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be kind of a rant, but I don't really want to call it a rant. It's more of a discussion. But I feel like I should call it a rant because maybe it is a rant. Anyway, today I want to talk about I'm not sure what to name this, I want to talk about society's perception of makeup and the act of wearing it. That sounds so boring. I am so sorry, but it'll get interesting, I promise. I feel like we've all heard people say that, oh yeah, you look so beautiful without makeup, or you would look so better without makeup. And that I've listened to that for such a long time. I don't even know how it started, honestly. How did people start saying this? I don't know, but I feel like it starts because people who probably don't wear makeup too often, or they don't see makeup as an art form, which I see as an art form. I see makeup as a way for me to express myself. I feel like it started because those people think that if you're wearing makeup, and if you're wearing a lot of it, if you're wearing full coverage foundation, if you're wearing lashes, if you're wearing like a liquid lipstick, then you must feel uncomfortable with your bare face. I can't speak for everybody, but for me that's not true necessarily, at all. First and foremost, I believe that makeup is a way of expression. Makeup is an opportunity for you to express yourself through art, except instead of drawing on a canvas, you're drawing on your face, and you're able to take this piece of art with you basically wherever you want, and you're able to show it to everybody. You're able to express your personality, your idea of beauty, your creativity on your face, and therefore show it to everybody you encounter. And it doesn't matter who you are, where you came from, what gender you are, what gender you're not. You should be able to wear makeup if you want to, and you should be able to wear just as much makeup as you want to, because at the end of the day, makeup is just makeup. You put it on your face and then it washes off at the end of the night or in the morning, or please wash your makeup off before you go to bed. But that's my thing. For me, makeup is not something I put on because I'm uncomfortable with myself. It's because I put the makeup on because I want people to see my expression, see my artistic creativity. I'm a very visual person. I'm a very artistic person. From a very, very young age, I was taking piano class, I was taking dance lessons, I was taking art lessons, I painted, I drew, I did pastels, I did charcoal, I did all the artistic sort of stuff. Now I don't really do that anymore, but when I was when I was just first starting out with makeup, I was really into that. And yes, at that point in time, I wasn't comfortable with the way my face looked. I had a lot of acne. I didn't think I was pretty. But I was, at the same time, I was 12 or 11 years old, and I wanted to be a better version of myself. And yes, I was uncomfortable with myself at the time. I was uncomfortable with my face. And when I put makeup on, I felt better. Did I wear makeup all the time? No, I did not. But whenever I did put makeup on, I felt so much better about myself. And that sort of ended up in me wearing makeup more and more often eventually, and me learning about makeup. But little by little, I realized that makeup had stopped being a way for me to hide myself, and it continued to be a way for me to express myself, which is what it is right now. I'm wearing this makeup because, I'm wearing this makeup actually because I'm about to go out to dinner. I'm wearing this makeup because it's fun, it's creative, and I want to express myself, right? If I was really uncomfortable with wearing makeup, do you think I would post makeup tutorials? Makeup tutorials are one of my most posted videos. I love doing makeup tutorials. I love sitting in front of a camera, and I love the transformation, and I love just putting makeup on my face. So a makeup tutorial for me is a way for me to share that creativity with you. It's a way for me to show you how I do a technique, how I do a look, and I enjoy it so much. But most of the makeup tutorials that I post I start off with wearing no makeup whatsoever, and it's not like I'm trying to hide my face, or it's not like I'm uncomfortable with myself, because if I was, would I post it? No. No, I would not. Because if I was uncomfortable with the way my face looked, I would be uncomfortable with the whole world seeing my face, you know? And I have said this many times on my channel, and I continue to say it, I am just as comfortable wearing no makeup as I am wearing a full face of makeup. Yes, I can go out wearing no makeup, and I'm fine with it. Like, I've gone out before wearing no makeup, and I've gone out wearing a ton of makeup, and I noticed that when I wear a ton of makeup, people tend to give me weird looks, and I mentioned this in a tutorial that I did. It was kind of like a little bit of like a ranting thing, and I was kind of telling you guys how a lot of times when I do makeup tutorials, I go out with the makeup afterwards, right? And a lot of times in those situations, people tend to give me weird looks, or people tend to give me like even dirty looks, or people tend to like just like give like this kind of expression, like, you know, that kind of expression, because I'm wearing like false lashes, because I'm wearing colorful makeup, because I'm wearing a bright lip, or I'm wearing glitter, or whatever. And it's just, I feel whenever I talk to some people, whenever I interact, I feel such like a negative energy coming from them. And it's kind of funny because a lot of times I've never met these people before, and I'm wearing this makeup, and it's like all they can see, all they're interested in seeing is my exterior, and they're already judging me based on that. And I'm not being like, oh yeah, they're judging me, it's so awful. No, it's fine. I mean, I'm fine with it. Like, I still go out. Like, the other day, I went out with a red lip and a glitter eyeshadow. Like, I literally put glitter on my eyelids and I went out like that, and it was fine. I did not care what anyone thought of me. It was great. It was good. So I don't care what these people think, but I'm just saying that, like, it's kind of like, it's something I experience, you know, and as someone who loves makeup, it's kind of confusing because I'm like, okay, so you've never met me before, or you've only met me a few times, and you're already giving me a weird look because of the makeup I'm wearing. And it's not like I'm forcing you to put on this makeup, it's not like I'm forcing you to go around looking like this. This is my face, and this is my version of what I want to do to my face, and who are you to openly imply that you are not into it, like that you do not agree with it, that you think it's a bad decision for me to go out like this. And first of all, how is it your business? And second of all, I can wear what I want to wear on my face because it is my freedom of expression. The makeup that I have, I want to use it, and I should be able to use it. And it's not like I'm like offending you. I hope I'm not, because if I am offending you, then honey, you got something you got something you need to fix. But it's just, it's funny to me, and it's kind of like a little bit confusing, and that's why I wanted to make this video, because I wanted to like see if you guys who love makeup felt the same way. Because I wear makeup not because I'm not confident, I wear makeup because I'm an artistic person and I love it. I mean, I just really wish that society in general would stop caring so much about people's appearance and about what they look like or who they are on the outside, and just care about what they look like on the inside. If someone's wearing makeup, before you start commenting or you start judging on how much makeup they're wearing or what kind of makeup they're wearing, how about you actually talk to them, get to know them better, and then make your judgment on the kind of person that they are, not based on how much makeup they're wearing, not based on what kind of makeup they're wearing, but based on who they are as a human being past all that. Because yes, I love makeup. Yes, I love dressing nice. Yes, I love fashion. I love beauty. I'm like a very visual person. At the same time, like, I'm the kind of person that if I talk to you, I want to know who you are. I want to know, like, I want to know your personality. I want to know your mind. I want to know, like, I want to have a conversation with you. And I don't care if I'm talking to a guy that's wearing eyeliner, and I don't care if I'm talking to a drag queen, and I don't care if I'm talking to a girl that has no makeup or if I'm talking to a girl that has a full glam, a full face of makeup on. I want to know you. Alright, I want to know who you are, and even though I have a channel with all this makeup and I talk about makeup all the time and I do makeup on myself all the time, at the end of the day, makeup doesn't matter as much as the person who's wearing it. So yeah, I've been talking for a while. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a like if you liked it, a thumbs down if you did not. I don't really care either way. Both of those help me a lot. But thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video and got something from it. And I'll see you all in another video. Bye guys.